What's up, guys? I'm Chase.
And I'm Landon, and today we're unboxing the newly released Nike Dunk High Midnight Navy. Let's go.
All right, so looking at these dunks in hand, these things are, it's just another dunk high. There's nothing really special about them. They don't come with any lace swaps. They have the typical, the navy laces included. But you know what? I think the white laces would be good. If you want to check these out, we have a link in our bio, or you can just check out our shop. But overall, these are just, it's another dunk high. That's my first impressions. What about you? What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, the Midnight Navy is an okay look on these. I do always like how they kind of pair the overlays with that outsole. Kind of gives the dunks a clean look, but I'm not a huge fan of dunk highs. But overall rating these 1 to 5, what are you going to give it?
I'm going to rate it a 3 out of 5 for me. Personally, it's just an okay colorway. I think Nike is just really just pumping out dunk highs now. And so it's just another clean colorway. So it's just going to be a 3 out of 5 for me. But what's your rating?
Yeah, I'm actually going to go down to a 2 out of 5. I'm not like in love with this Midnight Navy color scheme. It's just a decent look. And then, like I said, I definitely prefer lows over highs. So, just another basic Dunk High model. But that's actually going to wrap up our unboxing for the Nike Dunk High Midnight Navy. Thank you guys for taking some time to watch. And if you are interested in purchasing these shoes, make sure you check out the links in the description below.
And if you guys like this shoe, definitely give this video a like. And if you don't, let us know why in the comments below. And while you're there, feel free to give these your rating 1 to 5. But until next episode,
Peace.